It is home tour time. It's been a minute. I mean, I've done a lot of shorts, but this is the first long one I've done in a minute. But anyway, the grass needs to be mowed, but it's been raining so much, so the seller wasn't able to get that done. So I'm not gonna knock them for that, but this is a really great house. Now, we are in Broken Arrow. Let me flip this around. Near-ish to the Rose District. We're on like 91st and Lynn Lane area. So the address is 2721 South 8th Street E. Say that fast 5 times. Oh my goodness. But really great neighborhood, super quiet. I'll kind of give you a little pan here. Really great houses. Everyone's yard's picked up, which is always nice to see. So this one's currently offered at $499,990, so $500,000 at the time of this video. So I think that's a pretty good deal, just looking at comps in the area. But obviously, home is always worth what a buyer is willing to pay and what a seller is willing to accept. So do with that what you will. It is 2,763 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, built in 2022. And let me tell you, it still feels like new construction in there. And you obviously have the 2-car garage. So let's go in and check it out. It actually has an upstairs as well. You can kind of see it up there. I didn't know there was an upstairs until I set foot in here. I think it's just a bonus room. I actually didn't go up there yet, but we'll explore together. Really nice patio space here. Again, they need to mow, but nice flower bed there. You have flower beds here. It is fully fenced. Nice little archway, kind of a Western style. Let's head on in here and explore. So you have your formal dining right off the kitchen here, which is great. Nice LVP throughout. And then this is your office. And you have a nice bump out right here. So you could have some built-in shelves, or you could put a TV there if you wanted. But I love a good designated office. We'll head around this way. So through there connects to the kitchen, but it also goes through here. And then you've got your half bath that I mentioned right there. Shauna. Well, we're like wiping your face before I...
No, I was trying to help somebody.
Oh.
Yes, we'll go with it.
Great kitchen. Obviously, we're having a broker's open. We've got Shauna with Apex and Adam Brown with First American Home Warranties. And great island here, shaker cabinets. You've got electric on the island too, which is great. Undermounted sink, dishwasher, all the stuff. And then you've got a gas range with the pot filler by Miss Phyllis over here. And then oven, microwave, all that stuff. And a really good sized pantry. And then, like I said, it loops around. That's the formal dining that you saw a second ago. But people like running from the camera. Guys, you've got closet space here. Could actually be extra pantry space. I mean, it's not really, it's got shelving, so.
You can put your games in it.
Gaming. It's a good idea. Board game families. That's your family.
I enjoy it.
Great fireplace. It's a gas range, or not gas range, gas fireplace. And then I'll show you the backyard.
Good sized backyard.
Good sized backyard. Great patio space. You got a light fixture out here. Fully fenced, like I said. We'll head back in and check out the bonus room. And then we'll come back and look at the bedrooms and the primary bedroom, all that stuff. So, really great space up here. And then you do have a full bath. So, what's great about this, whoop, almost tripped on the door right there. I did trip on the door. So, what's great about this though is this could be like a second primary if you needed, but this would be like a game room. And then here is its own separate bedroom area with good closet space. We'll head back around and I will show you. I like the bump out too. But here is attic space. I can't reach the light switch and hold the camera, so I think you can see that. Good amount of walkout there. And over here, got more shelving. So pretty great. Now let's head back downstairs and we'll check out the other bedrooms. Real quick, if you're new here, my name is Ryan Hensey and I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team serving Tulsa and the surrounding communities like where we are today here in Broken Arrow. So if you're curious about living in Tulsa, you like home tours like this and everything in between, lifestyle, restaurants, all that good stuff, you're in the right place. So you should probably like and subscribe for more videos. But with that, let's go check out the bedrooms. Back downstairs. Vanna White that stuff, Shauna. Look at that. There you go. Perfect. Bedroom number 2, technically, because I showed you the other one. So here's that full bath that these rooms share. You have linen storage over here on the end, across from the toilet. And then over here, I have a Honeywell. And then there's a hall closet. Here's the other bedroom. It's a really good sized room. I mean, I'm trying to give you the full effect here. It's a good, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 14, 15 diagonal across feet. That's pretty good. And then a really nice walk-in closet. And we'll head around and check out that primary bedroom. So this has the snooze feature, which everybody loves. You've got hall closet here. Here's the primary. You have the higher ceiling in here. And there's a closet which connects, but we'll check that out in a minute. Double doors, dual vanities, nice big mirrors, big tub there. And then really nice size shower with the bench. You got linen storage, toilet. And we'll head around to check out the closet. Really good size. And then it connects into the utility, which everyone loves. And then obviously security system. And then here is the garage. Really great size, 2-car. And then over here is your water heater and stuff. It's a pretty nice house. Oh, and you also have attic pull down access as well. So let me know what you think about this house in the comments. I actually think it's pretty great. It's a good layout. I love the bonus room upstairs. So if you'd like more information, I'll put a link to all the photos and stuff in the description. But if you have questions, reach out to me. If you're thinking of making a move to the area and you have questions about life in Tulsa, hey, you should also reach out to me. So that's all I got. Bye for now, and I will see you in the next video.